Hey everyone, it's Ethan here from Extreme RC 4x4. I was in the shop today and I figured I would show you guys my winch setup that I have going on the TRX-4. I am running the factory radio and it completely bypasses the radio pretty much. So you can see I got this wire harness on here which sends power to the ESC, and up here to the winch. This is a RC 4-wheel drive wireless winch controller, and they don't sell this model anymore because this was when they made the Bulldog winch. I think Racing still makes the Bulldog winch, or what RC 4-wheel drive rebranded as the Bulldog winch. But I have this Warn winch now, and even the new Warn winch controller, it really does not seem better than this at all. It seems like if I pull on this and I can get the motor rolling, I can just keep pulling on it, but this one's a little bit better. So I have this little remote here to control it. And I have this, I don't even know, this is a safety thimble on here, just like you might have on the real truck. So it's not really a hook, you just put a D-ring through it, and I like that because I can pull it flat up against my fair lead here. And as far as the wiring goes, I just wired it up to this here, which is double-sided taped onto the steering servo, and then I ran it through this the body post here and then back up. So this is the regular sized Warn winch, and it doesn't really work for any of RC 4-wheel drive's bumpers at all because it is pretty large, but it fits the scale of the TRX-4 really well. I'll show you it with the body on in a second, but fits in the bumper really nicely. I like how it came out, and just really happy with how it looks on there. It's really more of a scale detail. I don't really use it all that often, but it's cool to use when I do use it. So here it is with the body on. You can see it. I don't know if I pushed this bumper out at all or if that's how it sat from the factory, that distance. I think that's factory, but I'm not too upset with how far out the bumper is. It looks a lot better than the plastic winch that was on here. So this is the factory winch, and this is the Warn winch. Pretty similar in size, maybe a little bit extra to the side. And I have no fair lead on the actual winch itself. This is just the bumper's fair lead that's molded in here. Really came out to be a clean fit. I really like how it looks on there, and it's just another one of those scale details that goes a long way. So thank you guys for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.